What's up, brownies? It's your girl Shanique, and yes, I look a hot mess, but we're going to get it all together today using Naturalicious 3-step system that will save up to 80% of the time that you spend doing your hair with 3 steps that replaces 12 products you normally have to use. Before I start the timer, I'm going to take down this old bun that I've been wearing all week. Well, to be truthful, all summer long. It's like my go-to style. I love wearing a top bun like it's no tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to take this down before I start the timer so that you guys can see how my hair looks now. I'm going to be putting this to the test today, not using a stopwatch because that can be kind of compromised. I'm actually going to use the time and date on my cell phone to clock how long it takes me to go from wash day all the way through using this product line. Let's get to it. All right, my hair is down, ready to be washed, and now we're going to start the timer. So I'm beginning at exactly 10:41, and this is July the 28th. All right, so I've stepped in the shower, saturated my hair with water, and that took 3 minutes. It's now 10:44, and I'm going to start by using the very first product in this line, which is the Moroccan Roseau 5-in-1 clay treatment. This treatment is a shampoo, it's a conditioner, it's a deep conditioner, a detangler, and a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to show you me using this through my hair, and I'm just going to kind of speed it up. The number one ingredient that this product is made of is the Moroccan Roseau clay, which is straight from Morocco, which means this does not have any sulfates or anything in it. It's straight clay, so there is no bubbles or lathering or anything like that. It's totally different from anything else you probably have ever used. And like I said, it doesn't have any sulfates, no parabens, no gluten, no mineral oil. It's no cruelty. This is pretty much all natural product, and it's very different from what you're used to if you are always using shampoos that lather up. We all know that the bubbles and lathering isn't what cleanse your hair, but I find this to be very cleansing. As far as slippage, there is not much slippage to this product. So if you're looking for something to make you know your fingers run through real smoothly as far as slippage, this doesn't give that. But at the same time, it is helping to detangle my hair, and it's making it a little easier. You can see as I'm running my fingers through my hair. So it's very different. It's hard to explain. It's something that you would really have to try. It's really amazing at how this actually works. As you can see, it is now 10:50, and now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. It is now 10:53, and it took me all of 3 minutes to rinse all of the clay out of my hair. I'm going to take a moment to show you how my hair looks after I've rinsed out the clay. This is what it's looking like thus far. All right, it's now 10:54. A minute has passed. I took that time to clean my comb out, so I'm getting started actually putting the cream into my hair at 10:54. Step 2, which is the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair while it is wet. You can also use this on dry hair as well. And I'm showing you how it looks. It's a nice cream, and I'm going to just make sure I get this all through my hair, and I'm going to comb it through, and let's see how long this takes. It is now 10:56 still, and I'm going ahead and start step 3, which is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock Plus Frizz Fighter. This can be used as a hot oil treatment. It's a frizz fighter, moisture lock, sealant, and finishing oil. So I'm just going to add that, top it off on top of my moisturizing cream, and then we'll go ahead and proceed to style. So let's see how long it takes me to do this. So that took all of 2 minutes for me to apply the Divine Shine finishing oil to my hair, and now I'm just going to go ahead and simply style my hair. Since my hair has been up in that bun for quite a while, I'm just going to give it a break, especially around the nape of my neck, and I'm just going to put a couple of cornrows in it and call it a day. So here we go. So from 6:58 to 11:04 is the amount of time it took me to cornrow my hair, which is about 6 minutes. So all in all, I was done at 11:04. We started at 10:41, and at 11:04 I was done with wash day. The whole process took me approximately 25 minutes, so you saw it for yourself. That's Naturalicious. Give it a try when you can. Thanks for watching, brownies. We'll catch you later. Bye, brownies.